Most businesses don't have a marketing problem. They have a clarity problem. They post consistently, they run ads, they try trends, but nothing works. Why? Because they're talking without saying anything. Let me explain. Imagine this. You visit a website, it says, we provide the best services. Sounds familiar, but here's the truth. No one cares about best. People care about what problem you solve for them. This is where most marketing fails. They focus on themselves instead of the customer. Great marketing is simple. It answers three questions. What do you do? Who is it for? Why should they care? If your marketing doesn't clearly answer these, you're invisible. Now let's fix that. Step 1. Stop selling everything. Sell one clear outcome. Instead of saying, we do digital marketing, say, we help local businesses get 30 plus leads every month. That's specific. That's powerful. Step 2. Speak like your customer. Not like a brand. No jargon. No complexity. Simple words win. Step 3. Show proof. People don't trust claims. They trust results. Case studies. Before, after. Real numbers. That's what converts. And finally, consistency beats creativity. You don't need viral content. You need repeatable clarity, because marketing isn't about being everywhere. It's about being understood. If your audience understands you, they will trust you. And trust builds business. If you want marketing that actually brings results, connect with lotusbyte.com. We don't just market, we build systems that grow your business.